Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare the coolest gadgets to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to blow your socks off. If you're wearing any, that is. On the left, we have the Ford DRC V4 mini foldable drone, and on the right, the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone. Let's see which one will take your aerial adventures to new heights. First up, we have the V4 Mini, sporting a 1080p camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle. It's like having your own mini paparazzi, perfect for capturing your neighbor's cat trying to sneak into your yard. On the other hand, the CHUBORY comes in hot with a 2K HD camera and a 130-degree wide-angle lens. That's right, folks, 2K. So if you want to catch every pixel of your dog's epic backyard zoomies, this might be your go-to. Reviewers have highlighted that while the V4 Mini's camera is good for casual use and social media, it doesn't quite match up to the CHUBORY's superior quality, which is praised for its great stability and high-definition captures. Moving on to flight time, the V4 Mini offers 26 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. That's like having 2 cups of coffee, enough to get you buzzing but still wanting more. Meanwhile, the CHUBORY is like a marathon runner with 84 minutes of flight time, thanks to its 3 upgraded batteries. Think of it as the Energizer Bunny of drones. It just keeps going and going and going. Many users appreciate the CHUBORY for its extended flight time, making it ideal for longer sessions, whereas the V4 Mini is often noted for shorter, more casual flights. Now, let's talk features. The V4 Mini is packed with fun stuff like 3D flips, headless mode, and even VR compatibility. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, perfect for beginners and kids. Plus, it's super portable and durable, so you can throw it in your bag and take it on your next adventure. The CHUBORY, however, is not messing around. It's got robust, brushless motors that can withstand strong winds, making it a beast in the sky. Features like Follow Me, optical flow positioning, and gesture selfie make it sound like it's straight out of a spy movie. Plus, it's got a 1-year warranty and doesn't require registration. Talk about hassle-free flying. Reviewers often mention that the V4 Mini is fantastic for those just starting out, whereas the CHUBORY is praised for its advanced features and robust build, perfect for those looking for more serious flying capabilities. Lastly, let's talk price. The V4 Mini is priced at a cool $89. That's less than a fancy dinner date and way more fun. The CHUBORY, on the other hand, will set you back $149. A bit pricier, but remember, you're getting those brushless motors and that epic flight time. According to reviewers, the V4 Mini offers great value for its price, especially for beginners and casual users. On the other hand, the CHUBORY, while more expensive, is seen as a worthwhile investment for its advanced features and superior performance. Summing up the reviews, the Ford DRC V4 mini foldable drone is praised for its ease of use, portability, and being beginner-friendly, although some users report issues with durability and performance over time. Meanwhile, the CHUBORY super enduring brushless motor drone is appreciated for its advanced features, robust build, and superior camera quality, though a few users have encountered operational issues. And there you have it, smart buyers! The ultimate drone showdown between the V4 Mini and the CHUBORY. Which one will you take to the skies? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our future comparisons. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.